Going to discuss about the rule number 7. In the rule number 6 we have discussed about the Venus and Mars placement together for the love marriage. So most of the users asked us that if Venus is placed with Mercury or Jupiter, then what can you say that? In that case, yes, we can say that there are chances of love marriage. How these happens, how this association works, watch this video till end. And if you need any consultation, you download Jyotishgher weather app. You can check out our websites of a free analysis, share your charts and Vimshotri Dasha on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter with one questions, and give us 60 days for the buffer system. Now, if in your chart Venus is placed either with Mercury, the first case, this is called Yukta Yog. The Hindi version already mentioned in the check box, in the check playlist. And if Venus is placed with Jupiter, then also Dev Guru Brihaspati making an association with Danav Guru Shukracharya also again can cause the love marriage for the person. How this happens? So we will focus in your ascendant chart. Place your chart on the table and emphasizes will be on the following houses. First of all, the kendras. You should focus these houses. These are kendras. First house, second house, third house, fourth house. These all are kendras. If you see that in your chart Venus and Mercury placed anywhere, VM is placed, then it makes the chances. This is the association. Not only with this, if Venus and Mercury make any aspects, both have one aspects, Venus Mercury placed, then they have the seventh house aspects. Then also the dasha antardasha will cause the relationship will start, new start, a fresh someone in your life will happen. And not only with this kendra, but also if this yuti is present in these houses, this triangle shape, note down 1, 5 and 9, if they are placed, if creates a relationship with Venus, creates relationship with Mercury, first in the kendra, second in the trikona, then also the love marriage happen. So this is about the Venus and Mercury. In the same way, if Venus and Jupiter any form present from the Jupiter point, Jupiter has three aspects, 5, 7 and 9. If Jupiter placed in your 5th house, then it expects your Lagna chart from the 9th aspects. If it is present in your Jupiter placed in your chart in the 9th house, then 5th aspect. So if both making an association, a relationship, or aspect wise also the chances of the love marriage will increase. So we can say that there can be love marriage for the person, whether male or female. One more point. Here we have Venus, Mercury and Jupiter. So 1-to-1 combination. Venus nakshatra, Mars nakshatra, Mercury nakshatra, Jupiter nakshatra. If either of three of them is present or making an house of exchange, suppose Venus is present in the nakshatra of Venus and Mercury is present in the nakshatra of Venus, and if Jupiter is present in the nakshatra of Venus or Venus is present in the nakshatra of Jupiter, then also the chances of the love marriage happen can possible. So this is rule number 7. The Hindi version, check playlist, and do not share your mobile number, email address. We do not ask anybody. Every appointment will be particularly by the Android app or Jyotishgher or by the description box. So avoid spams, do not anonymous replies, otherwise you will be blocked. That's the simple logic. Venus and Mercury Yukta egg, or both gurus are placed either in the trikona or either in the kendras, then it makes a situation. Please note down 6th, 7th, 8th and 12th lords cannot make association. If there is an association with these houses lords, then the problems will arise. Then the problem is definitely arise. So that you avoid these problems, for male jatakas, they should worship, they should do Vij mantra stotam for the Venus, and for the female jataka, they should please your Jupiter for the love marriage, for the marriage to sustain beautifully. That's all for the day. Jai Shani Dev.